Figured I'd put up another video to keep this, you know, YouTube thing going. I'm just gonna do a little starting on my hair right now, so if you guys wanna watch, because I mean, curling your hair is so difficult. Well, I mean, for that one girl, that one, she just burned it off.
Said I can't wait to get home. What you do? I jumped on 995 at a quarter to nine pressing construction zone. I'm trying to get home to you. It's warm down now.
Okay, this is the business. We just gonna hop into it. So here I am, and I'm not where I usually have my makeup. Fair warning, I mean, this is not even a warning, this is just how it goes. I don't wear makeup every day. Honestly, I haven't worn makeup, and I mean like full on face makeup, not like just, because I just slap on some brows, put on some mascara, and I call it a day. But I don't wear like foundation at all. Like, I have foundation, really old foundation, but that's about it. So yeah, I guess this can be a get ready with me slash makeup tutorial. I don't know, you guys decide. Okay, so obviously that wasn't working for me, and I hated the lighting because half my face would be lit. Excuse you, rude. So here we are facing the window, and hopefully this comes out good. So fingers crossed. Start off with moisturizer. I don't know how to do this. I just watch them all the time. But I was like, we're not doing anything. We're off of work today. Why not? I look like I'm like just being hella rough on my face. I promise I'm not. I think. So how's it going? Not that you can hear me until I post this video, but how's it going? What's new? What's poppin'? YouTube? My armpit itches. I have like no camera, so I record on my phone, and then when texts pop up, I get distracted. So we're just gonna continue, and I will act like I know what I'm doing. Oh, I do my brows.
Bruh, my armpit itches.
I low-key want to like put on foundation, but like, your girl is pretty white right now. I'm never out in the sun. I'm always inside because I work, and I don't really do anything else because work is life. I got a big forehead, okay, so don't judge. Excuse you, please be gone. Homeboy, you got some dust on you. I bought this palette with 120 color eyeshadows. It's huge, and there's a lot. So it has all these palettes. I think I'm just gonna like dive in and see what I can do. It has a second section. I think we're just gonna go off my shirt, see what I can come up with. I am nowhere near artsy, so wish me all the luck in the world, please.
This fly in my room is just driving me insane.
So what I usually do, I start with my brows. Honestly, I think I need to like trim these things or pluck them. I pluck my own eyebrows because I don't trust anyone else with my eyebrows, and I've been doing it since like I was a senior in high school. So that's that. Okay, so I get very teary-eyed. I had tried to, you know, get into like face makeup, but where I work,
it's too hot for that shit.
But who cares, you know? YOLO. So I'm breaking out. I've been broken out. I'm gonna finally get to my brows. after having said that I was going to like a million times. So I do my brows differently, like however I feel it. I think I have like 3 different ways of doing it. I don't know. I already started on an eyebrow. I'm using this BH Cosmetics Ultimate Brow Palette. It has the waxes on the bottom and then the powders on top. I am very weird. I dip the brush onto the wax. As you can see, this one is very used and loved. And then after doing that, I dip it into the powder. For some odd reason, I think it just sticks better and it just makes my brows look better. So that's just what we're gonna do. Probably gonna be a very bad brow day. Awful. I don't know. I have a real bad tendency of like just doing my brows and then they look harsh AF. So I'm trying to like ease up on them. When I realized how crappy they look, I was like, okay girl, you need to calm down. But you know, I'm trying to make it look natural so that it doesn't seem like I put too much effort into it.
Even though like I slayed over my brows.
So I'm just gonna do this one off camera. I'll just come back. This is as good as they're gonna get. Ugh, moving on. So I used to carve out my brows and then I realized that I'm not good at it, so I stopped. I had an eyelid primer, this primer thing, majig. And I have no idea where it went. So we're just gonna put on some more moisturizer. And that's what I use as a little trick because I don't like putting too much stuff on my face. Says the person who puts on makeup. I get some more moisturizer. And I like put some on my lip. I still don't know what look I'm gonna do because I don't find myself to be a very artistic person, and that is exactly what makeup is. It's an art, and I suck at drawing stick figures, so I don't know what made me think I could do makeup. Concealer. My big old forehead in the way. This video is gonna be so long. Because I don't know what I'm doing, and that's just, you guys just watching me struggle. So I'm gonna, that. And I'm just gonna take the whitest, palest, and albinoest shade in this palette and just set that concealer. My lids are set. So I have this big old beautiful palette and I think we're just gonna dive in. I'm gonna go try and match stitch, I guess. I'm nervous. I don't know where to start. We're just start. I really want to take this off already, but YOLO. We're just embarrassing ourselves on YouTube. It's okay. So we're just gonna. Hi Appa. So Appa is my sister's dog. He is evil only when his master's here. So yeah. Say hi. I look like I have 2 black eyes. I just wanted to match stitch. And instead I look like this. I guess you can go with that. Oh no. Oh no. I'm gonna take this off. My brows are starting to look like the best things of life. I don't know where I'm going with this. Honestly. Truly. You got issues, guys? Bankruptcy? I'm gonna be doing some time. Blending just blends your problems away. I don't know, maybe it's just because I don't have my face makeup on. We're just gonna try and do face makeup now, so whatever excess powder, or not powder, but you know. I mean, yeah, I think it really was the face makeup. I think I could fix this. I think. I added some purple, and it was a very big mistake. I just wanted to match stitch, not look like a mermaid. I don't know how to make this better, guys. I really don't. I thought we're sinking, might as well just keep going. So crazy. Whew, I sound like I was about to cry. I mean, I might as well, because look what's on my face. Now a very uneven chicken neck. I don't put this much makeup on.
Darla, I'm already having a bad day.
I've always wanted that in my hair. I don't know. This is probably the worst makeup tutorial. Get ready with me ever. So, let's just contour. What else do we got to lose? Nothing. But I did lose my brush. I promise you guys, like, I don't do makeup like this. Obviously, I don't wear makeup because, like, this is a catastrophe. I look like Mulan. Oh, so this is the finished look. Definitely not what I had on before because this is usually what I do when I'm feeling fancy. Or I go out and I want to feel fancy. So this is it. And this is what I just threw on because that last, no, it was a no. Darla says, peace out. Hope you guys enjoyed watching it. I enjoyed making it, so peace in the streets.